There's us. That's pretty cool, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's it.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Mad. Joanna, making on the dummy tonight.
Well, top of the morning to ya. Well, good evening. Welcome back, guys. What's up? It's Eric. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos because I got some fire that I plan to unleash. So welcome back. So as you know, I traveled all the way here to Mexico to Puerto Vallarta. And today I'm going to go ahead and do a little video of where I'm staying, of how much it cost, and how far your money could go, and what your money could buy. And here's the place that I'm staying at. So check this out. So as you can see, when you walk in, you got the tile, and I like that. That's nice. You kind of get on the feet. We got the stainless, but we ain't got nothing in there yet. Don't worry about that. Ooh, I didn't even see this. Oops, don't look at that. But we got the Keurig, baby. That's cool. I didn't even know we had that here. So I'm not a big coffee drinker, but if you are, this might be something that you might like. One of the coolest things that I like about here. Wait, what's this? Oh, so there's. I was like, what is this? So this is the microwave and the oven. I don't plan to be doing a lot of cooking here, but if you do, you can make it happen. Oh, this is the phone? Don't know what that is. It's looking like there's people are up right now. Let's see. Let's go ahead and give this a good scoop and look like everyone's getting up. Everyone's moving and grooving. We got everyone outside. The breakfast spot's over there. I'm definitely gonna be hitting that up. Looks like we got the pool man right there getting the pool ready for everybody. People are cleaning. Let's go, baby. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay, let's close this. Gosh, it's bright. I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but my dad took me everywhere right when I got here. There was no resting. We went straight to the work. Took us all over. I have some crazy food videos I would be showing you guys too. This is crazy. Check out the living room. This is the living room. So we got the couches, which is cool. Gotta have a nice couch, right? And then we have the entertainment room. Oh, this is cool. Oh, nice. So yesterday it was nice to go ahead and kind of host everybody here. We had maybe about 8 people here, a couple family members. We all just kind of kicked it. Oh, I really like this light. It looks like just something, right? But these turn on at night. It looks really, really cool. And then let's go ahead and show you the room. Might be a little messy. Gotta keep it there. But let's turn the light on, baby. All right. There it is. I came here. I didn't even get to undo my bed. I had my blanket here. And I was like, yo, let's go. I am so tired. So I got the bed here. You gotta have the plasma. You gotta have the plasma. I really like this this mirror. This mirror is super dope. But what's the place without the bathroom, right? Let's see what the bathroom's looking like. That's the main thing for me, anyways. Super dark. Where's the light? Uno, dos, tres. Hey. There it is. Peep it out, yo. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, last night I had some trouble. I don't understand these. I tried to do this, but I couldn't understand it. So these shower heads. So there's one, and there's two. And somehow these turn these on. And I could not figure it out. But finally at the very end of my shower, I think I did. So it was interesting. That's really cool. It has like this waterfall effect, which I thought was really, really cool. You got the his and hers, those things. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty, right? How much did this place cost me to rent out for each day? So I'm staying here. I came here Sunday. I'm leaving Thursday. So Sunday night, Tuesday night, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. So for 4 nights, the grand total to stay here was $1,200. $1,200. That's what it cost me to stay at this place. But you might be like, man, is it worth it? Well, it depends on you. For me, it is, because I like to have something nice, and this place fit what I needed. And it's so nice because it's located to everything that I want to be located to, like all over town. When it comes to the food, the clothing, I mean everything. It's right by the Malecon. That's where everything's at. So if you want something that's going to be nearby and you do not need to go ahead and rent a car, this place is a place you want to be. It might be a little pricey on the high end, but get your friends, maybe go halves. It'll work out. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. Great content's coming. Let's go, baby.